Dream. Dream? Where are Dream? Hello, Dream. Where have you been this whole time? You appear to be a horse, Dream. How have you turned into a horse? Oh, there's the lava pool. Oh, that's not the lava pool. There's another lava pool. There's just infinite lava pools.
This is one that I found. Watch this. This is the parkour jump. You ready?
Okay. No! Oh my god.
I'm on half health. How about you feel me more?
Okay, I will. Say please.
Feed me.
Say please.
Feed me.
Say please.
Feed me.
Say please.
It's dinner time. You're Papa Bird. Give me the worms.
Okay, open your mouth.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Where are you?
Down to me.
Where are you?
The pillar. Let's try the pillar. MLG horse.
MLG. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Please. Please.
It'll be very cool.
Oh!
Dragon fire.
Run! Run! Run!
Oh,
go! Okay, I'm healing you.
Heal
I'm
me.
healing you. Oh, heal. Okay, take me over to that other pillar. It's that one right there in front.
Yeah, it's right over here.
Oh my god, the MLG horse! Run!
The dream. You pulled the dream. You pulled the dream, George.
He did. I did the thing from the manhunt. The thing from the manhunt.
You did the thing. I taught you.
Oh my god.
Except this time, I'm the horse. Like before, I was the one on the horse. Now I'm the horse.
Oh, watch out! The fire!
I got to experience what that horse experienced.
I'm like
my
you.
back hurts. I'm in pain. My back is in pain. Oh my god!
It shot you again.
You smashed my back, George.
Me on.
Hey, watch, we're doing a victory lap.
Do the victory lap around the end. Around the end portal.
Around everything.
Go.
Watch this. The victory parkour.
Oh, Dream! Dream, watch out! No, Dream. If you fall, this is over. It's over.
Parkour.
If you fall, we're done. Dream! Dream, if you slip up and fail, the game's over. Don't do that. We've literally been here so long. I don't want to die now.
Lap! Yeah!
She's coming down. She's coming down. Take me in. Is this even going to be the end? I think this is the end. I have a dragon axe. I mean, what? A dragon axe? Here we go. Wait, Dream, I want you to get the last hit.
Yeah! Okay, I'm getting it.
Try. Dream, no! Dream! Dream! What is wrong with you?
It was 1 hit!
I hit it with fire!
I hit it with fire! I didn't know I was in the fire! I didn't know I was in the fire! I wasn't in the fire. The dragon was hitting me. I wasn't in the... Oh, I thought I could... Oh my god.
Dream, you're gonna die to the iron golem. Dream, you died again.
That's the sound the horse made. Wait, here, I'll make it. I'm gonna imitate the Minecraft horse sound so we can put it in a texture pack. You ready? That's when the horse dies, and then when you just go up to the horse, it's like, and then it goes, and then it goes.
That's not it. That's terrible.
That's good. And then it goes. And then this is when it's moving. There you go.
Alright, Dream texture pack incoming.